All right, let's start a new demonstration. Today we'll look at every setting you need, those in Email Trader itself, those in Interactive Brokers, and those in the Gmail account that receives your trading alerts. First, Interactive Brokers. Open the platform and click the little cogwheel, the same settings button we used in the previous video. Go into API settings, then open the Precautions section. You'll see several bypass switches. Turn on those three. That minimum avoids warning pop-ups that would otherwise block an order. They are enough to run all the sample alerts shipped with Email Trader. If you later send different order types, you can add more bypasses as needed. If you intend to leave Email Trader running for several days in a row, also review Interactive Brokers' automatic log-off and restart times. Exact instructions live in the Interactive Brokers help pages and in the Email Trader help section. Now let's configure Gmail, the mailbox that catches your alerts. As you can see, a few TradingView alerts have already arrived in the inbox. Let's open one so you can see its exact format. This particular alert is HTML, but Email Trader reads it as plain text, so nothing is lost. All right, let's move on. Go to Settings, then See All Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses. Create a filter so that every mail from TradingView containing the word alert is never sent to spam, is marked as important, and is placed in the primary category. Save the rule. With that in place, Email Trader will read every alert reliably. Let's move back into Email Trader and open the Settings panel to review each area. The first line shows the Gmail address currently linked through OAuth 2.0. Click that address or the active button to disconnect. The moment you disconnect, every link between Email Trader and your Google account is removed, which keeps the app compliant with Google's privacy rules. Just below, 4 numeric fields let you choose the exact seconds in the minute when alerts are checked. The default values are 7, 15, 32, and 50 seconds. If you change a value, the new timing takes effect at the next minute boundary. Now the Alerts tab. The first control there is Alert Lifespan. For entry trades, never leave the lifespan at infinite. A sensible value is 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. Exit trades can last longer, but make sure the duration won't overlap a new entry signal. To mark a JSON alert as an exit, add exit in the parameters section of the alert. The next field defines what one ticket is worth. Suppose you set one ticket to 1,000. If a JSON alert specifies amount, 2 tickets target, and the asset trades in euros, you are requesting a final position of 2,000 euros. Email Trader compares that target with your current exposure, whether you are short 2,000 flat or long 6,000, for example, and buys or sells enough units to stay under, yet near the 2,000 euros. Tickets let you scale overall risk without rewriting every JSON alert. Okay, now let's tackle the Issue Management tab. Open Manage Pricebook to view the database of cached prices. When Interactive Brokers cannot supply a live quote, Email Trader falls back to this list so it can still size orders. Prices refresh each time they are requested, and a few minutes after the app starts, and then every 6 hours. You can force an update with the button in the top right corner, or right-click a symbol to delete it if you no longer trade that asset. A checkbox lets you decide whether Email Trader may use the cache at all. Turn it off if you want absolute live prices every time. If an order still fails, for example because the market is temporarily unavailable, Email Trader retries automatically, first every 5 seconds, then every 30 seconds, for about 20 attempts before giving up. Now, security options. You can require Windows Hello, or if Windows Hello is unavailable, a local password before the app will do anything. Store that password safely. There is no recovery mechanism. Below that is the Sesame code, an extra confirmation layer before orders are executed. The default value is your Sesame code. Replace it with a long, random string and refresh it from time to time. Finally, set up the email whitelist. Delete the word any and enter only authorized senders such as noreply@tradingview.com. Email Trader confirms that Gmail has authenticated each message by SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, and also checks that the sender is on your whitelist. Overall, it's an effective defense against spoofed emails. There is also a subscription area covered in the first video where you can choose a monthly or annual plan in the Microsoft Store. That completes our tour of the settings. In the next video, we'll cover JSON alerts in depth, how to write them, the different possibilities, and how both interactive brokers and Email Trader interpret every trading parameter. Thank you for watching.